Take a good look at the two pictures on your screen if you're still wondering if rosemary water grows hair. Are you suffering from hair breakage? Your hair is not growing, you're having dandruff, thinning hair, alopecia? Just keep watching this video. I am going to be showing you how to make rosemary water for hair growth and how to also apply it. Hello guys, welcome back to another hair video. How are you all doing? So guys, this video is my 2 weeks of using rosemary water results. I am going to be telling you at the end of this video if rosemary really grew my hair. So I'm making use of the dry rosemary leaves. If you have the fresh one, you can go ahead and use it. So I took about 3 spoons of dry rosemary leaves and I added it to my cup, and I'm going in with 150 ml of hot water. So I'm going to be infusing this overnight so the rosemary can release all its nutrients into the water. Guys, rosemary is very good when it comes to hair growth. It helps to stimulate and improve blood circulation to the scalp, which in turn promote healthy hair growth. Rosemary also has a very cooling and cleansing effect on the scalp because of its antibacterial property. It is also great in treating scalp issues like dandruff, flaky scalp, and the rest, guys. I am going to be leaving this overnight, and guys, this is the next day. You can see the color of the water has changed, which means the rosemary has released all its nutrients into the water. So I am going to go ahead and strain this, and guys, that is just how easy it is to make rosemary water. Like I said earlier, this video is my 2 weeks of using rosemary water results. So do well to watch this video, like this video. Let me know what you think about rosemary in the comment section. And if you're kind enough, share this video to your friends who you know this video will be beneficial to them. Don't forget to like this video. It really helps my channel a lot, guys.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah.
So guys, this is the last day. Like I said earlier, I was not going to bore you guys with the day 1, day 2 application. I started this challenge on the 1st of January 2023, and today is the 14th of January 2023, which makes it complete 2 weeks. And guys, I could not contain my joy. Like, you could just see new growth everywhere. My hair grew, my hair became so thick, my hair became super soft, and before now I had itchy scalp. But starting from the day 3 of using this rosemary water, I could hardly feel any itchiness on my scalp. So rosemary water really grows hair. It stops itchy scalp and also stop thinning hair. And this second step is very important, guys. If you're using rosemary water, you have to go in with oils to seal in the moisture. So this is what I was doing. Oiling your scalp is as important as using rosemary water. I am using my hair growth oil, which I made on this channel, to seal in the moisture, and you can see I made sure I apply it all over my hairlines, my edges, my strands, my scalp, and just make sure that every part of my hair was benefiting from this hair growth oil. And after that, you want to make sure you go ahead to massage your scalp very well. So guys, that is just all for this application. I am really glad I started this challenge this January because I have a target to meet at the end of 2023 for my hair. So that's why I decided to start this rosemary 2 weeks water challenge, and I'm really glad I did. And I forget to mention, guys, if you have rosemary oil, you can go ahead and use rosemary oil to seal in moisture instead of using another oil. Using rosemary oil with the rosemary water is really going to fasten the process and give you a quicker result. I did not have rosemary oil at the time of this challenge. That's why I use another DIY hair growth oil of mine. After the application, guys, I go ahead to twist and tuck in my ends because I'm trying by all means to prevent split ends. So guys, that's just all for this video. I really hope you pay more attention to your hair this new year, like you spend more time to care for your hair, because if you're not doing anything for your hair, I don't think you are going to get the results you should be getting. So pay attention to your hair. Try to make your natural hair remedies by yourself. That way you know you're not putting chemicals into your hair that will end up damaging your hair later. I just hope you take out your time to go through my channel and pick different treatment for your hair treatment, and definitely come back here to give me your feedback, guys. I have different treatments for everybody. And that brings me to the end of this video. See you all in my next video. Do well to subscribe. Bye.